Hello and welcome to the Performix 3.0 introduction. I'm just going to take you through some of the most basic features of the Performix software to quickly introduce you to them. In terms of the layout, we have in the upper left panel here a list of the sessions for the current project. And what a session is it's a list of or a set of experiments or matches. And for a particular project, the assumption is that all of the sessions inside of that project are based on a common user population. And so in this case, these sessions are just different sets of tests on a population. There's always one or more active sessions, which are always listed in this panel below. And by holding Control down, you can choose multiple ones. And if you've chosen more than one active session and you do something like create a graph, the ROC curves in this case, for both of those sessions will be plotted. So along the left side here, as I've just displayed, is your common graphs. You've got your ROC and your histograms, and your common reports are along this toolbar, which I'll show you momentarily. Within the graphs, you can always zoom right in to get a closer view, and right click to zoom back out. You can also quite often spawn reports from graphs, which I will show you in a moment. I think I will open up a new project that has some better data associated with it. Okay, here's another project that actually has some more information, some images associated with it. So what we can do is, if we want to view all the people, we can create a person report, for instance. And what this is doing is it's building a list of all of the people who are part of this project and have matches in this session, and gives a sample image. So with most of the graphs and reports, you can dig down. So if we're interested in looking at other images associated with this person, we can follow the link for the person ID on the left, and this will bring you a full list of their images. We can also take a look at all of the matches that this person is involved in. So this is going down into their genuine matches and their imposter matches. And it's quite interactive, and you can dig down as far as you care to go. Another spawn is actually through the graphs. So in this histogram, if you click on a point, it will show you all of the matches in that range. So if I click up at the high end, this will show me a list of all the highest match results in list form. And once again, I could go down and dig deeper. So that's your basic. You've got your basic graphs and your basic reports. One more thing that you know is changing the settings for a graph. So by clicking this button here on the toolbar, it gives you a list of the settings that are available, and you can update them. So in this case, we're going to change the number of bars in the histogram, and it will immediately rebuild the graph with those settings active. Okay, so that's a very brief introduction to graphs and reports within Performix.